first generation wealthy have several psychological pitfalls they have to overcome that people of multi-generational wealth don't suffer from as much. One of those is FOMU, the fear of messing up. So recently I was speaking with a fellow entrepreneur, someone who had exited his business, and he'd had a sale, and he said, Greg, I knew I could make two mistakes. I knew that investment-wise and money decisions, I could only make two mistakes. I had a good exit, but two mistakes would do me in. Here's the thing, I made one. And I find myself today paralyzed because I know if I make another mistake, that's all I got. And so here I am, I'm young enough to have a few decades in front of me, and yet I am paralyzed by this fear of messing up. It's one of the things we talk about and use the superpowers to overcome.